With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here, the question is the simple interest on a certain sum of money for 3 years at 5% per annum is rupees 1200 rupees. Find the amount due and the compound interest on this sum of money at the same rate and after 2 years interest is reckoned annually, right? So here, as the question says that simple interest on certain sum of money, so let this sum of money as x, let sum of money as x rupees. So here it is given that the simple interest on sum of money for 3 years, that means here the time period is given is 3 years at 5% rate, that means here r is equals to 5%, that is our rate in this question, is 1200 rupees. This means here we are having the simple interest is 1200 rupees, right? Now we know that there is a formula for simple interest, that is SI is equals to P into R into T and this whole divided by 100. So now let's put the values here. Here the simple interest that is we are having is 1200 into this 100 and this whole divided by the value of R, that is 5, and the value of T, that is 3. So 3, and this equals to P, as we let that the sum of money as x rupees. So we can say that here the principal value is also x rupees. Here the principal value is also equals to x rupees, right? So from here, if we calculate, then we can write here this 5 into 3, that is 15. So here we can write at place of this 5 into 3, 15. Here it is 15, and if we solve this, then we can write we are getting the principal amount, that is we had let as x is equals to 8000 rupees, right? So we can say that here the sum of money is 8000 rupees. Now the question says to find the amount and the compound interest on the on this sum of money. So we can say that here the sum of money is 8000 rupees at the same rate and 2 years. So we can say that here we are having the rate is equals to the same rate, that is 5%, and the time, here the time period is given as 2 years, and as the question says compound interest, so we know that there is a formula in compound interest, that is A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to power T, right? So here we are having the value. So now here the value of P, that is principal amount, we can write this principal amount as this 8 here, as the question says on this sum of money. So we can say that here the principal amount is 8000. So 8000 into 1 plus the rate which we are having is 5%. So 5 by 100 whole raised to power T, that is 2. So whole raised to power 2. Now if we solve this, then we can write here this 5 get cancelled with this 100 at 20. So it is 21 by 20 whole square, and we know that here it is 8000. 21 square is 441 and 20 square is 400. Now here these zeros get cancelled with these zeros, and here this 4 get cancelled with this 80. Here this one 4 get cancelled with this 80 at 20. So it is 441 multiplied by 20. So we can say that here we are having the amount due is 8820 rupees. Now the question also says to find the compound interest. Now we know that compound interest is equals to amount minus principal value. Here the amount is 8820 minus principal value that we are having is 8000. So minus 8000. So if we solve, that means if we subtract this from this, then we can write our compound interest that we are having is 820 rupees. So as the question says to find the amount due, so we can say that the amount due here is 8800 rupees and the compound interest is 800 rupees, and hence we can say that this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.